Welcome back to Thrifty Finance Vision PH. The holidays are just around the corner, and with that comes one of the most anticipated bonuses for Filipino employees, our 13th month pay. But let's be real. How many times have we received it, only for it to vanish within weeks? This year, we're breaking the cycle. Together, let's plan smarter and use this bonus to transform not just our holidays, but our financial future. This isn't your usual save some, spend some advice. We're diving deeper. Let's get started. The first step to budgeting your 13th month pay is changing how we see it. Most of us treat it as a year-end reward, a free pass to splurge. But let's shift that mindset. Think of your 13th month pay as an opportunity. It's not just extra money. It's the boost we need to set ourselves up for a better 2025. Imagine this. Your 50,000 pesos bonus comes in. You treat yourself to gadgets, holiday feasts, and gifts. But come January, credit card bills and new expenses kick in, and suddenly, you're short on cash. This time, let's plan ahead and break that post-holiday stress. Here's where the real magic happens: the 4-basket strategy. This method helps us balance enjoying the holidays with securing our financial goals. Let's break it down. Basket 1. Repair and prepare, 40%. This is for financial repairs and future preparation. Start by tackling high-interest debts like credit card balances or overdue bills. Then, allocate funds to upcoming expenses like tuition fees or insurance premiums, so we're not caught off guard. Example, if you have 50,000 pesos, set aside 20,000 pesos to wipe out that lingering credit card balance. You'll save on interest and start 2025 stress-free. Basket 2. Build and grow, 30%. Next, let's grow our money. Use this portion to strengthen your emergency fund or invest in assets that generate passive income, like REITs, MP2, or stocks. The idea is to make your bonus work for you long after the holidays are over. If you're starting small, consider digital banks like Maya or CBank, which offer higher interest rates compared to traditional banks. Every peso counts. Basket 3. Enjoy with limits, 20%. We all deserve to enjoy the fruits of our labor, but within reason. Use this basket for holiday shopping, dining out, or traveling. The key is to set a budget and stick to it. Unique tip: gift creatively. Instead of pricey gadgets, consider homemade or personalized gifts. Not only are they thoughtful, but they also save money. Basket 4. Share and care, 10%. Finally, let's make room for generosity. Use this basket to give back, whether it's donating to charity, helping a friend in need, or surprising your loved ones with small tokens of appreciation. Now that we have our baskets, here's how we can make this strategy actionable. Step 1. Analyze your financial landscape. Before you divide your 13th month pay, take a moment to assess your financial situation. Make a list of your debts, savings goals, and upcoming expenses. This clarity will guide your allocations. Step 2. Automate your allocations. Once your bonus hits your account, automate transfers to different savings or investment accounts for each basket. For example, send your build and grow funds to a digital bank or investment app immediately to remove temptation. Step 3. Holiday spending plan. Set specific spending limits for gifts, parties, and travel. Bonus tip: shop early and take advantage of Christmas sales to maximize your budget. Step 4. Reflect and adjust. After the holidays, review how you spent your bonus. Did you pay off debt? Grow your savings? The goal is to learn and refine for next year. Now, let's talk about unique ways to maximize your 13th month pay. These ideas go beyond the typical advice. Invest in yourself. Use a portion of your bonus to enroll in courses or certifications that can boost your career or side hustle. Think of it as upgrading your income potential. Future-proof your finances. Consider buying insurance or upgrading your policy. Products like critical illness insurance or health riders offer peace of mind while protecting your savings from emergencies. Start a family fund. Set aside money to support family needs, whether it's for your siblings' tuition or your parents' medication. A small contribution can go a long way. Now that we've covered the strategy, it's time to put it into action. This year, let's treat our 13th month pay not just as a holiday bonus, but as a stepping stone to a brighter financial future. Together, we can break the cycle of spending and start building a more secure life for ourselves and our families. So, what's your plan for your 13th month pay? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your ideas and strategies. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Thrifty Finance Vision PH for more tips on smarter money decisions. Let's make this holiday season our most financially empowered one yet. See you in the next video.